Today, we're talking about a crucial part of your car's cooling system, the water pump. A failing water pump can lead to severe engine damage, and you definitely don't want that. So, in this video, we'll go over 5 signs that your water pump is failing. Your car's water pump is responsible for circulating coolant from the radiator to the engine and back. This helps regulate the engine's temperature and ensures it runs smoothly. But like all car components, a water pump won't last forever. Let's go over 5 warning signs that indicate your water pump might be failing. Sign number 1, coolant leaks. Your water pump has multiple gaskets that can wear out over time, leading to coolant leaks. If you notice a green or red liquid pooling under your car, it's time to check the water pump. Coolant leaks are usually easy to spot, and they can be an early warning sign of more serious issues with your cooling system. Addressing them early can save you from costly repairs down the road. Sign number 2, engine overheating. The main job of a water pump is to keep your engine cool. If it fails, the engine may overheat, causing major issues like cracked cylinder heads, burnt pistons, and damaged head gaskets. Not something you want to deal with. Overheating can lead to permanent engine damage. So if you notice your temperature gauge climbing, don't ignore it. Sign number 3, a high-pitched whining or harmonic noise from the front of your vehicle. This often happens when the pulley is misaligned or when the bearings inside the pump wear out. If you hear this noise, it's time to replace your water pump. A failing bearing means your pump won't last much longer, and if left unchecked, it could seize up and cause even more damage. Sign number 4, rust and corrosion. If your coolant is contaminated or if the pressure cap is faulty, rust and bubbles can form. This weakens the pump's effectiveness and can lead to serious damage to your entire cooling system. Always use high-quality coolant and check for corrosion regularly. What causes rust in the water pump? Often, it's a result of using the wrong type of coolant or mixing different coolants. Always check your car's manual to make sure you're using the correct coolant type. Regular coolant flushes can also help prevent rust buildup and keep your cooling system in top shape. Sign number 5, steam from under your hood. If you see steam coming from the front of your car while driving, it means your engine is overheating. Pull over safely and call a mechanic immediately. Never drive with an overheated engine. It can cause catastrophic damage. If you experience overheating, avoid opening the radiator cap immediately, as the system is under high pressure and hot coolant can spray out, causing serious burns. Always let the engine cool down before attempting to check coolant levels. If you're performing regular maintenance checks, always inspect the water pump area for small holes, dried coolant residue, or cracks. These may seem minor, but they indicate wear and tear that could lead to failure soon. Being proactive can save you from unexpected breakdowns. So, there you have it, 5 warning signs of a failing water pump. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't ignore them. Get your car checked by a professional mechanic before it leads to expensive repairs.